Hey guys, welcome back. As you have guessed from the title, I'm back on the camper build again, and it's finally time to put on the siding. I just waited one whole year for this to arrive. I've talked to different companies here in Europe and no one could supply rows wide enough to cover the camper in one piece. So there will be a seam, sadly, but it's better than putting on back the old siding with all the corrosion that was on it. These are 1.3 meters high and 0.45 millimeters thick. They have a structure to them, painted already, and protective film on them. I had to modify a few things. The fridge vent went a little bit higher, and also the flue. I will not use this outlet for now, I just marked it. I also finished up the braces over here and down here and added a piece right in here just to be able to screw on a reading lamp or something like that. I made a few different test glue ups with some polyurethane, which has some gap filling properties, which is not that bad, but it's not flexible at all, and I want to be able to give this whole thing a little bit of flexibility, because obviously the aluminum expands differently than the wood or the extruded polystyrene. This is some Sikaflex 522, which was also recommended. This is MS polymer based stuff. It's very strong, much stronger than the polystyrene, but I can peel it off from the wood, so it's probably good if you have to do some repairs or something, that the wood stays intact. I also talked to the Sodal guys. They recommended me this fixal floor and wall. This is the same MS polymer. It comes in a bucket, so it's easier to cover a larger surface. So I did this glue up with it, and as you can see, it's very strong. I can't even take it off, which is probably not the smartest idea if you have to do some repairs. Tomorrow should be above 10 degrees, so we put on the first piece with my buddy, and later on my dad and little brother can come over and help. So let's get started. So guys, as you can see, the siding is all on. I'm super excited and super happy that this is done. We had a few hiccups along the way. The glue up was very stressful sometimes, especially the curve and the big pieces on the sides. But all the edges are trimmed and sanded. Each panel had time to cure for about 5 or 6 days, depending on the weather. There were a couple of days where we couldn't work, so this took about a month and a half. We had a few little problems, but we managed to fix them. I'm still waiting on some trim for down here, but in the next video I guess I can continue with everything I have. So thank you guys for watching and see you next time. Bye!